Elevate.
Go!
Get out, bro.
What
Get out, bro.
control? What control?
Bro, get left.
No.
Bro, get left. Yeah.
Interliminarity is a game about entering an abandoned building and creepy elevator shit happen. I'm playing with friends, which make it more fun. I hope you enjoy. So, eto na nga.
Oh my God.
Interliminality.
Uh-huh.
Ano si David?
Yeah.
Parang...
Yeah.
Ano sa inyo? Hurry up.
Kill
I'm
yourself.
lagging. What the heck?
Putang ina mo. Ayun, virtually. Eh.
Ano yan, pre? What the fuck is that? Goofy. Pre, mo paano ba't yan yung ulo mo? What itlog, pre, gagi?
Ewan ko. You're not square.
Hindi, pre, ganito yung ano. Shut the fuck up. Nasaan yung mga ano? Para ba't ubos na ubos?
Parang walang ano eh. Walang meron eh. Ba't ba tayo nandito? Where the fuck are you guys?
Ewan ko, pre, baka inubos mo yung mga grocery with your fat ass, bro.
Nah, fuck off. Where the fuck are you?
Baka inubos mo.
Dude.
Sino tayo? Sino tayo?
Dito.
It's a hole here.
Elevator.
Elevate. Ayak.
Go!
Get out, bro.
What
Get out, bro.
control? What control?
Bro, get
Go!
out.
No! Elevator. Hanapin natin yung pera nila. Oh. Intermilality, Phil and Media.
Ano intermilality, pre? Intermilality.
Interliminality.
Yeah, sabihin mo yan 5 beses. Uy, ano yun?
Oh my God!
What the fuck
There's
is that?
something.
Is that a sweet
Something.
anime babe, bro?
Ano yan?
Oh my God! It's the Skinwalker.
Gesag.
Ano yun? What the fuck is that? Ano?
Gesag. Wood.
Ano?
Wood.
Tangan ng anong word, gago ka ba?
Yeah.
Pre, bakit parang mukhang kindergarten chairs, pre? Baka ito yung ano, nire-record. Baka dito ka nagre-record ng mga freaky
Dito sila nagre-record.
Pintuan ba to? Ay, ito ano to? Pasok.
May
Rumble code. Ano
may
to?
It's a
password.
freaking puzzle.
Wait, ginagawa ko. Ayan, nagawa ko na. I did it, bro. You fucking dumbasses. Freedom na, freedom.
Yeah.
Ano yung ano? Ah!
Nee!
No,
Forget
fuck
left
you!
behind!
Fuck you! Imperial son of a bitch!
Bro, get left behind again, you stupid ass. Pre, kasi ano,
Pre!
pre, hindi ka kasi kumasya with your fat ass, bro.
Yeah, fuck you.
Hindi ka kumasya, pre.
Bros, ano? Oh
Welcome
shit.
to the city.
Oh, hell no! Safe zone?
Welcome to the
Oh, we're
Yeah,
safe,
this
we're
is-
safe, we're safe,
this is
we're safe.
This is kind of sus.
No, we're safe. Safe zone. We're safe. We're safe. We're safe.
Oh no, bro. It happens a lot in horror
So,
movies.
Oh, guys. I have an idea.
What?
We should split up.
Ha?
Oh no!
Let's split up. Let's
I mean,
split
that's a
up.
good
Pre, unang way to die in a horror movie, bro.
What on
Ano
earth
yun?
is
Uy,
this?
gagi, may ilaw dun, oh. Pre.
Oh my
Uy, ano
gosh.
yun? Uy, gagi, may duman!
You're lying.
No, hindi, pre, meron dito, promise. Ano, dumaan kayo dun, may libreng,
Oh my gosh.
may 5 piso dun, bili. Dun, oh, yun sa kaliwa ng exit.
Red light. Oh, no. There's a red light.
Ayun, pre, dyan ka, ano, dyan ka dyan, David.
Yeah. You should go, bro.
What
You go first.
Yeah!
Go, bro.
the heck?
You go first.
Yeah!
Run! Bitch! Ah, bitch! I'm fucking dead!
Yes, I'm
Bro,
behind
dive,
you.
you
Oh wait,
stupid
okay.
Pre, ang bagal mo kasi, pre. You need to lose some weight, bro.
Putang ina! Mabilis siya. You can't run
Nasaan
away,
yun?
bro.
Nasaan na si bro?
I'm gonna turn off the flashlight kasi... Oh no, we should turn it on. Okay. So what's
Oh my
mission
gosh, I'm
natin?
I'm
Kunin
following the
yung...
monster.
Wait.
Mission.
So, dapat bubuksan natin tong door. Sabi ng door... Wait lang. Kalimutan ko yung hahanapin eh. So, may A, B, C, D. Tas each may number. A, B, C, D.
Kailangan ng code. Kailangan code.
Yeah. So we're gonna explore.
Uy, ano yun? Ano yun?
Crouch.
Ang crouch, gago ka ba? Bakit
I'm solving the
magka-crouch?
damn code.
Pre, ibig sabihin mo pa pre pag ano? Kunwari pag may killer.
No, run!
Ah, wait. Okay.
Stupid ass bitch. Come at me, bro.
Stupid bitch.
No. Pahabol ako, pre.
Oh, the code reset.
Ay, ano, parang nagpapahabol lang ako sa aso, pre. Uy, gagi, Inshu! Ah! Hinahabol niya ako!
I'm dead.
Tulong.
Bruh. Wait.
David,
Wait, so... Wait.
Bye-bye.
God,
Oh, David,
it's chasing you, man.
David, help me,
Wait. Man, nagka-camp siya sa door. He's camping the door, man.
Pre, I survived that shit, bro. No,
Here, guys.
no reaction. Light work, no reaction.
Bro died. I died.
Ano yun,
Ah,
gagi?
I'm dead.
Uy, gagi! No, nakita niya ako, patay ako, pre.
Okay.
Okay.
Got me, bro.
You cannot hide from it. I tried hiding. You can't. Pag
Bro,
nakita
I
ka
got
na,
it.
pag nakita ka na, deads ka na.
Nahabol ba tayo?
Hindi.
Okay!
Hinahabol!
Ano yun?
Mistake honor.
Ang gawa mo dyan, you fucking patas. You're not getting anywhere, bro. Wala na.
No,
Let's
wala.
go.
It's just the red light.
Uy, ito. Code.
Oh.
Bantayin mo ko.
Okay, babantay. I will guard. Clear.
Okay, patay na.
No, crap! Oh crap!
It's there. Okay, keep doing it. It's chasing David.
Distract mo.
Hinahabol si David. Oh, it's coming!
Ano pre, it's coming.
Ah,
Patay na ako. I'm dead,
It's
bro.
chasing me. It's not chasing
Bili.
you. Ah, I'm dead. Nice. D9. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yan, pre. I did.
Okay. 9.
Nakadalawa na ako, pre. Nakadalawa na ako. Ano ba yung code?
Letter A na lang. Wait, pwede natin hulaan.
Pwede.
Hulaan! Pwede.
Meron na ba? Yung B kanina 1.
Yeah, nilagay ko na.
A.
Ayaw mahula, gago. Kailangan din unlock.
Mga kailangan na.
Kailangan.
They know.
Ito ba yun? Uy, gagi, nakita ko.
Oh, shit. Nice.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Ano,
take the corner.
I-ano mo siya. Magpahabol kayo.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Papahabol ako.
Bilis. Ginagawa ko.
Yep. Papahabol ako.
Yan pala yun.
I'm dead as shit.
Patay na ako.
You're dead?
Okay, I died, bro.
Shit.
Okay, got molested, bro.
Yeah, we don't understand the behavior though. Tasat giyat. I thought he's giyat.
Umuulit siya eh.
No, we're
pag
running-
iniwanan ko.
We're running in stick. Oh my gosh.
Ayun. Ano, A6.
Ah, I
A6.
died. A6?
6.
Oh, I'm so dead, bro. Ay, gagi, na-juke ko na.
Alright.
Stupid ass bitch.
Let's go.
Go.
Guess what?
Wag
Come
niyo akong
here.
iwanan.
Wait for him. Run! Takbo!
Ah,
Tangina mo!
Oh, what the?
Ano yung
Hindi siya-
tatakbo?
hindi siya
Wala
magkano.
ka.
Hindi siya makakapasok. Okay. What the hell is this? Ano to?
Yes.
Dalawang pillars.
Pillars.
Press shift to run.
Fuck you! You bitch! Oh my god! Not again,
Yes,
bro.
Bro got left behind.
Yes,
stupid ass.
alright.
Bro died, bro
Gosh.
got left behind.
Okay.
Pre, ibig sabihin niya kasi ako yung unang makaka-survive sa horror movie, pre.
Bro.
Virgil.
Virgil! Oh my god!
I am the storm.
I am the
Okay.
storm that is
No, Ricky note naman
Anyways.
to. Don't
Oh, what the
it
fuck?
gets better.
I fail, gagi. I
Same.
fail.
What the fuck?
I died.
Don't,
Pre, jump down. Pre, pag tumalon ka, ano, parang ano, may secret ending dyan. Hindi dyan. Tangan mo, huwag tumal. Yan, dito ka tumal, no? Yun. May ano yan, parang hidden cutscene kit.
Wala
Bro
naman.
died.
You said a cutscene, bro.
Bro
Fucking
died.
bitch.
Bro fell.
Bro got
Bro
tricked.
fell. So
It's dark in here. Let's split up. I bet.
Split up.
Split up. Everyone split up.
Kumanan ako.
Go. Uh-huh.
What the fuck?
Uy, gagi, may multo. May multo, pre. Ano yun? May fat.
We all met.
Uy, ano yun? Ba't parang naulit? Pre, mimic! Sino yun? Oh, what the fuck, pre? Ikaw yun! Gaga, sino yun? Lumabol sa atin.
Hell no.
Ikaw yun eh, gaga, ikaw yun.
That's not
Pre, ano? Pre, kamustahin mo yung ano mo,
Sama
yung kapatid mo, pre.
Fuck you.
Kamustahin mo yung kapatid mo,
So
pre.
guys, testing.
We're going
Pre,
Um,
parang, gagi, mimic, pre, mimic. May mimic.
wait. Sheesh. Wait, I'm lost, guys.
Let's go to
And I'm
David.
hearing a
Let's
freaking
go.
sound. There's a freaking
David, he's behind you.
Gagi,
Behind you,
may
David.
generator siya.
pre, mimic
Ayaw,
yan,
bro.
pre. Tumakbo ka pag may mga, gumagaya.
Yo guys, may generator siya.
Wait, si David ba
You need
yan?
to click a
Hindi, yan si David. Walang
Ay,
game
ay,
tag. Walang
Ikaw
game
yun.
tag. It's a mimic. It's a mimic. It's a
Dahil
fucking
hindi
mimic.
Parang may ilaw dito.
Ito.
Wala.
Ay, sorry.
Delusional lang. Who the fuck is that?
Oh no!
Where are we going?
Yo guys, so bali. Guys, may generator. Dalawa na lang yung hanapin.
2 generators.
I think you guys need.
Generator.
I think after that, we're gonna we're free now.
Oo.
Yeah.
Uy, gagi yan yun.
Generator.
I killed my own.
Pre, bantayin mo.
reflection.
Sige, ikaw.
I turn it on. Goods.
Akala ko yung
Yeah, she's
parang
done.
may quick time event na naman. Uy, ito, may isa pa. What the fuck is that? Sino yan? Uy, ako yun.
Yo,
Run,
already got-
run! Gagi, ako yun.
I got the last generator.
Nakita mo na.
Shit!
Down.
Oh my god! It's chasing me! Oh shit! Oh my god!
Uy, sino yun?
Run!
Si David, pre.
Run!
Gagi!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Killed!
Pre, ang tanga mo pala si David pala. Ano pala yung mimic ni David? Sinundan ko, ano pala.
Oh my god!
Oh no! Can we walk, guys? My
Corner
fingers are
strat!
so
Corner
numb.
strat!
Oh,
Corners!
pick.
The frick is that hallway? My fingers are so numb.
Nakita ko sarili ko, pre.
Ako nga
So,
rin,
basically-
natakot ako eh.
Find the freaking exit.
Exit na lang, kasi na-on na yung generator.
Uy, gagi! Pre, ikaw yun!
Ah!
Sa likod mo. Oh my god, pre. Patay si David, bro.
David's gonna die.
Damn, bro, got molested by you, pre. Ganyan ka pala.
Bro, fuck off.
Run, bro.
Where's David?
Patay na siya. Pre, gagi, ikaw na yung unahin.
I'm gonna die. I'm actually going to die.
Hindi, gagi. Wala na.
I'm gonna die. Putang ina, ayoko.
Wala na yan. Wala na si David, pre. Wala na si David. Nakahabol ako. He's chasing me, bro. David's
Ayun, I'm
coming for
dead.
my
Fucking
ass,
bitch.
bro. David
dead.
is coming for
Sana
my
si
ass,
David?
bro.
Tangina nun.
Ako yun! Nakita ko yun! Oh my god! Ako naman!
Dude, okay.
Pre, nakita ko exit.
Go, just get in.
Bro, get the fuck out of here. You're not chasing me, bro. Get the hell out of here.
Go to the elevator, man.
Run, I'm in, bro.
Oh
Bro, got
my
left behind.
Fuck.
Pre, most valuable.
Gameplay pause. Back.
Most valuable player. Ito. Ilagay mo dito.
Oh, it's open now. That was easy.
Sayang.
Wow, bitch.
Pre, nakachinelas mo. Baka ako yung tinutukoy niya.
Oo nga eh. What are those?
Uy! Dang!
Fuck you!
Get the fuck
Ah,
out of here.
dang it.
Bagal nyo, pre.
Tangina mo.
Too slow, bro. Too slow.
Tangina mo, pre.
Feel ko may hahabol dito.
Yung teacher, Baldi. Si
Yeah.
Baldi. Si Baldi.
Ano to, uy? Don't move. Wait! Baka ano, don't move pag may...
Oh, don't. Okay.
You can interact this.
Oh! Oh! Ano to? What the fuck is that? Who is that? Nakita mo yun?
It's a
Yep.
freaking
I saw it.
Hindi ako gumalaw, natakot ako.
drawing.
Let's move
It looked like-
slowly.
It looked like a drawing, so I saw it. Look something.
Dahan-dahan na lang tayo.
Oh!
Kokowa ching chong king mida. Alright.
Red light. What if gumalaw? What if gumalaw?
Yeah, I'm
Galaw.
not even trying. I'm not gonna try, bro. Oh, TV.
Oh, what's this? It's a
A credit.
Which
ritual.
one? Oh!
Gumagalaw si David.
You
Oh,
can
it's
crouch.
virtually
You can
live.
crouch.
You can
You
crouch.
can crouch. Alright, so what's next? Yan,
Di ba may
yan
pintuan?
nating
Oh, it's open now.
Oo, pay mo ko sa. Kokowa ching... Kokowa ching... Yeah.
Sakto na naman.
The heck?
Get the fuck here, bro.
You bet!
Oh!
You bet! He just goes
Pull,
deeper.
let's go. Ay, hindi ako pwede.
Burrow, the swim.
Row,
You can swim.
Pool. Laki naman ng pool na to.
Laki, oh nga, laki ah.
O nga pala, bakit, ano... Well, man nyo. Well.
Ano meron?
Well.
I don't get it, bro. I don't get it.
Uy, may susi ako, may key ako.
Saan mo nakita?
Sa ano, tapat mo. Oh, ayun, ang dami naman ng susi. What the
Oh
fuck?
my
Damn.
god.
Isa. Ah, meron na ako. What the fuck? Ba't lahat na ano ko? Bug ba yun?
I think it's
What?
a bug. It's a bug.
Na-unlock ko lahat, gagi. Isang
Damn.
susi lang yun. Bro got, ano, skill check. Ano to?
This isn't normal.
Damn! Bakit left behind the game? Ito, dito yung ano, yung skinwalker. Ano to? May tumatawag.
May tumatawag?
Huh?
Bawal i-answer eh. We can't
Hello.
Yan
I've
eh,
heard
si
it
phone man
first
sa
time,
ano.
bro.
Phone guy sa bluff.
Days ata ulit to.
Mga mahilig sa maze yung...
Oh my gosh.
Uy, what the fuck
Oh
is
my
it?
gosh.
Gagi, pre, ano yan ah?
Oh my
Virtual
gosh.
reality.
Dang.
Meme ba to? Ano to? Wait, may notes to. Don't move. Baka yun ulit.
Don't
School
move.
set. Scene 1 after school. Complete swimming. Characters, the stripe.
Damn, my lord.
Turn lights off. Turn off lights after hours.
Okay.
Baka may ilaw kailangan.
let's just-
Baka...
Dito,
Wait.
Meron dito.
Office scene. Character realizes in a TV show. Characters thinks back to the abandoned. Oh my man, you get the fuck out. I can see.
Ito, meron
The
dito.
abandoned
Marami
store.
dito.
Character thinks
Marami
about
dito.
office.
Yeah,
Hollow.
replacement actor.
Hollow
Sa
the
lower.
door. Realizes his character playing huh? Baka ano, turn off. Ang dami dito, gagi. Lore, our director. Ay, yung ano, yung skinwalker. Mimics, ito.
Empty.
Skin stealer, bro. Skinwalker. Strife, pag gumalaw.
Let's go,
Don't
guys.
quit your acting job.
Sorry ka na.
Ay,
Tapos,
kung sino yung kinapi nila, yun yung papatayin nila.
Oh. Bakit ako? Pinatay ako ni David kanina.
Kasi nabangga mo.
Siguro. Hahabulin ka lang ng ano mo. Hindi, hinabol din ako ni Manny eh. Ikaw, hinabol mo din ako.
Our
Pre-delusional. Ay!
Our founder.
Bro got cooked!
Again! Not again! Swipe.
Bro died. Yagi, gumalaw yung ano, kuan.